Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Apex Legends on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Apex Legends game on your mobile device, first, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your App Store or your Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Apex Legends and perform your search. You'll be able to see the game displayed in the search result. Tap the download button to begin the downloading process. Apex Legends is a free-to-play first-person battle royale style shooter that is available for your PC, mobile devices, Xbox, PlayStation and Switch. Wait for a few minutes until the download process is finished. And after the download is done, you'll be able to play the game right away from your mobile device. That is how you can download Apex Legends on your iOS device or your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.